This guide explores how InfinitySKS Corp helped a customer build a rock-solid business network. A network designed to enable professionals to achieve independence from traditional employment and operate their own enterprise security. This is the core philosophy at InfinitySKS Corp. For those seeking business autonomy, establishing a strong foundation is essential. The following outlines InfinitySKS Corp's approach to building a small business network, core infrastructure, secure storage, and private AI tools, implemented step by step. The process begins at the network edge with a robust firewall. InfinitySKS Corp recommends pfSense as the firewall solution. This open-source platform is powerful and serves as the first line of defense for the organization's network. Acting as a network bouncer, pfSense blocks unauthorized access and provides complete control over data flow. The firewall is deployed on dedicated hardware or within a virtual machine, ensuring optimal flexibility. Key features include VPN support, traffic shaping, and advanced intrusion detection. The next requirement is secure storage for files, backups, and virtual machines. For this, InfinitySKS helped implement TrueNAS. TrueNAS functions as a centralized storage hub for the organization. The platform is reliable and highly customizable. It ensures all data is backed up and accessible, whether on-site or remote. Remote access is fully supported. Shared folders can be created for teams, backups are automated, and data integrity is maintained with advanced file systems. For workstations, InfinitySKS Corp deployed Linux as the primary operating system. Windows virtual machines are used for applications requiring Windows-specific software. Linux is selected for its speed, security, and flexibility, while Windows in a virtual machine provides compatibility when needed. This approach delivers a stable, secure environment for daily operations, with seamless access to Windows as required. The result is an efficient and cost-effective setup. InfinitySKS Corp also integrated private AI and knowledge management solutions to keep trade secrets off public AI clouds. SearxNG is used for private search, eliminating concerns about third-party tracking. For artificial intelligence, Ollama Mistral is run locally, ensuring data privacy and rapid responses. For organizing ideas, notes, and business plans, the company utilizes note-taking platforms, with Obsidian serving as the primary tool for business documentation. All these solutions are hosted on company-owned hardware, providing complete control. This infrastructure forms the backbone of a secure, private, and fully owned business network. InfinitySKS Corp empowers organizations to build, manage, and grow their business networks with confidence and autonomy.